Hello everyone, in front of me is Vivo Y36 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. At first enter the settings, then find and select lock screen and wallpaper, and now select wallpaper. Click on agree, and now you can choose some static wallpaper or one from live wallpapers. Let me choose for example this one, then click on apply, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it is applied on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.